पेडणे सावन काणकोण मेरेन, वास्को सावन दिवचल सत्तरी मेरेन, मडगांव साश्ट राजधानी पणजी ते गोयच्या गांवगिऱ्याक खाची कोणशां मेरेन गोंय गोंयकार गोंयकारपणाची पल्स पळोवया सिटीग्रामात.
फिन्स फोरम फॉर इंटग्रेटेड नॅशनल सेक्युरिटी संस्थेन आयोजित केल्ल्या सागर 2.0 कॉन्फरन्साचे मंगळारा बांबोळे उक्तावण जालें. उपराष्ट्रपती व्यंकय्या नायडून ह्या फोरमाचें उक्तावण केलें.
High investment come high risk oriented space activities which were pursued only by governmental agencies in the earlier era is no longer the monopoly of the government agencies. Though supported by them indirectly, the private enterprise is moving at a very rapid pace. Space security is emerging in a big way, which is also debated by the international space community. Today, the human life on Earth depends so much on the resources from space that ensuring the assets we have in space becomes a absolute necessity. And towards this, the activities of whether it is cyber security, we are talking of the advanced technologies of using quantum communication, using space for many of this is also becoming a reality.
Along with the population controlling measures, all the space-faring nations need to step up collaboration on a range of issues like tackling poverty and hunger, improving crop yields, developing drought-resilient crops, predicting floods, drought, and other extreme weather patterns more accurately, among others. We should also think in terms of having a homegrown food security. You cannot depend on imported food security. Countries like Singapore, Dubai and other small nations, they can. But India with such a huge population, we need to have a homegrown food security. And we have a different type of hunger. Now we have a hidden hunger. I am sure this August gathering would address all these relevant issues and come up with concrete recommendations for the urgent consideration of the international community.
फिन्साचो कॉन्फरन्स दुसरे फावट गोंयांत जाता. सागर 0.1 पोरू जाल्लो तेन्ना तो दर्यावेळाचेर फोकस आसलो तेजो. ह्या वर्सा तेंचो फोकस स्पेस ह्या विशयाचेर आहा आनी 23, 24, 25 अशे 3 दीस हो कॉन्फरन्स गोंयांत चलतलो. व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट ओमकार फळारी वांगडा लोकेश शिलकार, प्रुडंटा खातीर.
26, 27, 28 BJPचो अटल महाधिवेशन हो तेलंगणा हांगा जावपाक आसा, जितून गोंयचे 300 युवा कार्यकर्ते पार्टिसिपेट जातले. ह्या अधिवेशनान नरेंद्र मोदी, अमित शाह आनी पूनम महाजन हे संबोधित करतले.
भारतीय जनता युवा मोर्चा राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्षा पूनमताई महाजन यांच्या नेतृत्वाखाली एक अटल महाअधिवेशन तेलंगणा जावपाचो आसा. ह्या अधिवेशनाक गोंयच्यान एक 250 ते 300 कार्यकर्ते वचपाचे आसा. ह्या अधिवेशनाक आमच्या राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष श्री अमित भाई शाह आणि आमचे पंतप्रधान श्री नरेंद्र भाई मोदी हे संबोधित करतले. ह्या महाअधिवेशनाक एक राष्ट्रीय स्तराचेर 2 लाख कार्यकर्ते रेजिस्टर्ड जाल्ले आसा.
अटल महाअधिवेशनाच्या रूपान देशभर लोकसभेचो शंखनाद युवा मोर्चाच्या तर्फे जातलो. आमच्या गोंयच्यान जशें अध्यक्षान म्हटलां 300 कार्यकर्ते वचपाचे आसा. प्रत्येक कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सींतल्यान रिप्रेझेंटेशन आमकां मेळ्ळां. हीच टीम फुडें लोकसभेच्या कामाक सुद्दां लागतली आनी युवा मोर्चाचे पदाधिकारी म्हणून आमकां खात्री आसा की येता ते लोकसभेक आमच्यो ह्या भुरग्यांच्यो ज्यो टिमी आसा त्यो काम करतले आनी 2 सिटां आमची भारतीय जनता पक्षाची लोकसभेत येतली.
मडगांव म्युनिसिपालिटीन एक ड्रायव्ह स्टार्ट केली कडेन आसा, ट्रेड लायसन आनी हाऊस टॅक्स. तातूंत आज मेरेन 15 शॉपां शिल्लक केली कडेन आसात.
Actually, आयचे हे 6वें and this was the biggest of the in scale of size and redemption. In fact, we had given notice long back. Okay, they had to pay default areas to the municipality. Since we came here in the morning, they said we'll pay it by evening. So we had our other assignments in hand, which we completed. Then we cross-checked with our office, but still the payment was not done. We gave them option of even of RTGS. Okay, still this was specifically in the news and all attention was on this. Why municipality is not taking any action? Allegations were also made that we are giving some sort of a long rope. Recovery आमची म्हाका दिसता हे सगळें excluding this. Okay, means I have today's calculation. But if you extrapolate purely revenue on this part, on this front, only because of the revenue drive is something around 1.5 crore. Okay.
आणि कितली शॉपां सील केली तुमी?
हेच्या पयलीं म्हाका दिसता टोटल 8 आनी 14 कोटी.
लास्ट 3 वीक्सा भितर.
Last 2 weeks भितर. We have intensified our drive only in these 2. More demand notices are sent. The demand notices itself are worth more than 1.5 crore. Okay. Most of them are high net worth businesses like banks and financial institutions and some jewelry showrooms.
हेल्थ सेंटराच्या ऑपोजीट नव्या फास्ट्रॅक शोरूमाची ओपनिंग जाली आनी हे फास्ट्रॅक शोरूमाच्या ओपनिंगाक बिजू अलेक्झांडर जो रिजनल हेड आसा सावथाक कायकणाचो तेजे हस्तेन ही फास्ट्रॅक शोरूमाची ओपनिंग केल्ली गेली. हे फास्ट्रॅक शोरूमान बरी बॅग्स आसात, वॉचीस, मागीर न्यू सनग्लासीस पळोवपाक गावता तुमकां.
The second store of Fastrack in Goa State. Okay, already this is the 103rd store in South. Fastrack as a brand is not new to India. It's been launched many years back. It is largely targeted at the youth. But we have added many new categories into it. Watches was our mainstay for a long period. We have started with sunglasses. We have got wallets, belts, and another big category of bags. Okay, all these are already in place. So, within Fastrack watches itself, our most recent introduction in the smart space was called as the Reflex, version 1, and just about 6 months back we also launched the version 2 in
घेऊया एक कमर्शियल ब्रेक.